Go with the location again.
Postcode. Another King of NW3. NW3.
It's a 7-minute driveway. Yeah, let me just see if it stops. Just ask him. What are you doing, man?
What was that last update, sorry?
What's he doing?
Nice move again.
Control, we've been reverse rammed by this vehicle. Police officer with a taser! Keep your hands where I can see them now! Keep your hands where I can see them now! Stay where you are! Police officer with a taser!
Get on the floor! Taser, taser! Taser, taser! Now tasered! If you move, you'll be tasered again! Get on your stomach now! If you move, you'll be tasered again! Control, we're safe and well. Mel's been tasered.
Right, mate, gonna be under arrest for theft of motor vehicle, dangerous driving, phone stop, times 402. You're also going to be under arrest for attempted GBH on an emergency worker. The car's on its side, it went over our windscreen over my head.
That's all right. Alright, that's all right, that's right. That's right. The stolen vehicle is on its side. There's heavy damage to the front of the police vehicle.